This guy went viral for taking some of the most creative camera shots in the world, and the last one is unbelievable. In the first shot, he skates in front of a car with an incredibly long selfie stick and pulls it over his head to bring it all the way to the ground before using his phone and skating backward as the car speeds closer to create a set of incredible driving shots that could definitely be used in a real commercial. But the shots get even better. Next, he has a woman hold a pile of dirt in her hands on a farm as he pulls a flower through it in reverse to create a breathtaking garden nature shot. But wait until you see the most jaw-dropping one yet. He has a man stick a mirror in his shirt over his heart in front of a sunset as his wife walks through a gorgeous field in front of him. On this shot, he cut a door shape into this page and opened it to a man and his dog playing. And the final piece looks unbelievably amazing. Which cinematic shot was your favorite out of all of these? Follow for more videos like this.